In this video tutorial, I will walk you through on how to set status message, all right, on Microsoft Teams. Take for example, you want to be off from office from January 9th to 15th, and you want everybody that chats you on Teams to be notified that you're not in office, to give you a call or to wait until you return in office in a particular day. This video puts you through on how you can do that. Let's get into it right away. The first step you need to take is to install Teams mobile app, all right, on your phone, whether iPhone or Android, okay? So this is where I'm going to follow, okay, to get this done because I have Teams mobile app already here, okay? You can see it here. Then after the installation and signing in, tap on the Teams mobile app, okay? As the mobile app opens, the next step you need to take is to tap on your profile icon. If you use image in your profile, maybe your photo, you will see it at the top left, okay? So here now my profile icon is GT because I don't have any photo on it. So I'm going to tap on it. On tapping on the profile icon, you will see your email address that is linked to your Teams account, all right? And you see a lot of informations there like set status message, notifications, settings, and the rest. So the next step you need to take is to tap on the set status message, all right? Okay, now this provides a space for you to type your message. All right, so here I want to inform my workers that I'm going to be off from office from a particular date to a particular date. All right, so let's say I'm going to be off or I'm out of. Okay, you can see here my status message rate. I'm out of office from January 9 to January 15, 2025. Call me offline. All right, so this is the message I want any person that chats me to see. But this is not fully done yet. For you to make every person that sends you message on Steam to see this, then you can see this option show when people message me. Toggle on the button, so I'll tap on it. All right. So with this, anytime somebody sends me a message on my Teams account, he or she will see this message that I'm out of office for now. He should call me offline so that you will not think that I'm going to see that message. Maybe I travel out of the country, I travel for a conference, and I don't have access to my Teams account. So it will make him know that, oh, this guy is not on seat at the moment. Okay, let me look for another way to get in touch with him. All right. So once you're done having your status message, tap on done button. All right. So I have set this notification that every time somebody chats me at this point in time, from now to when I'm back, I'm going to be back to office. He is going to see this message. So once I come back from office, I will change that status message again. All right. Maybe I will remove it and everything becomes normal. But let me use another person's account to try sending message on Teams to this my account to see if this status message is going to show. Okay, let's get back to our PC. So let me open my web browser for us to experiment to see if the message will show that that particular guy is not in office. Okay, then I'll visit teams.microsoft.com. All right, teams.microsoft.com. Okay, this has opened in the chat area. So I chatted with Godwin Tech in the recent time. Okay, so I'll click on his name and then I will send him message. I'll click here. You can see, listen, you can see status of Godwin Tech. I'm out of office from January 9 to January 15, 2025. Call me offline. You can see immediately I wanted to chat with him. This notification shows up. So if you want, you can still say hi to him, irrespective of the fact that he's not within. But this has indicated that this young man is not in office at the moment. Okay, so these are just the simple steps you need to take to set up status message in your Microsoft Teams mobile application. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology, all right, which cuts across so many areas. So, subscribe to learn, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, all right? If you have any other thing you need to ask that relates to this or any software, just drop that in the comment section, all right? You can watch this video here to learn in detail on how to use Microsoft Teams mobile application. Thank you and see you some other time.